Thank you, and I like yours. What did you get, Mama? Oh, look at you! She's so cute! You're so cute! She's a turtle! Lollipop! Lollipop! Put it in his bag. We'll give you one pretty soon. Here, I want to just take a picture of all you guys in your costume. Hello! Oops! Here. Here, Mom. Here, Mom. Here. Okay, I'll hold all of them over here. Okay, stay there, Ruth. Stay. Stay, Asher. 1, 2, 3. Look at me. Okay, go back, Asher. Okay, let me get a close one. Get together, guys. Get close. Get close.
Okay, now have the Jedi killing the waitress.
Okay.
Elena, have her like do your.
No,
come on. Elena, come on.
Take a picture of it. No, don't.
Okay, then have the Jedi killing the dragon.
Okay. Hey, Katie, go stand by dragon.
Okay, have the dragon eating the waitress.
No. Katie and Addison, get close. All right.
Okay. One, two customers. Okay.
I'm sure my mom and dad will.
What?
I'm sure my mom and dad will.
Yeah.
We just need to confirm that that's what the plan is.
Yeah. That's where we're going to come from.
Take her out.
You're taking me out.
Oh yeah.
You know that I killed a guy that he attacked us with his thumb.
With their thumbs?
I killed a man with this thumb.
Is it like the, what is it, the pinky twist or?
No.
The wushu finger.
Right here where you push
Are you talking about the wushu finger?
It can either damage you or kill you.
Your thumb. And you go like this?
And there's a spot over here. And you can also make a bad die.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, she knows how to do all that.